Good morning. Today is our last day in Switzerland. We are now in Lucerne, so it's last morning in Lucerne, and it's today sunny. And we are going to Zurich, and from Zurich we are traveling to Warsaw and then to Kiev. Train to Zurich, and that's a two-story train, so we are on the second floor of this train, and it looks really nice, and the Swiss transportation system in general is really cool. We arrived to Zurich, and not to carry our bag with us, we put it in the deposit box, and it cost 7 Swiss francs for 6 hours. So we still have 4 hours to explore the city, and we can do it without the bag, which is much easier. And this is the central railway station. So the city is really nice to visit for just one day or a few hours. You can basically pretty much walk around it in like 3-4 hours. Very nice city, unlike other European cities. So our trip is unfortunately finished. We are leaving Zurich. We stayed in Switzerland for 6 days. Now we are leaving. We are going back to Ukraine, and from there we are flying back to Abu Dhabi. So stay in touch and